From the pristine landscapes of New Zealand, we bring innovation and wellness to the global stage. We are not just another supplement manufacturer. We create solutions for a healthier, better life. Since our first production in 2015, we've been committed to research, development and quality. In 2020, we took a bold step forward, establishing a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Hobsonville, Auckland. This was more than just an expansion. It was a commitment to pushing the boundaries of health innovation. Spanning 6,000 square meters of land and 3,500 square meters of cutting-edge facilities, we craft each product with meticulous care, combining innovation, expertise and technology to deliver world-class supplements. New Zealand's rich, untouched environment provides us with some of the purest, most potent natural ingredients on the planet. At the Health Lab, we never stop innovating. We develop customized solutions backed by science, designed to meet the needs of today's health-conscious consumers. Our state-of-the-art automation ensures consistency and efficiency, delivering the highest quality supplements every time. We're not just manufacturing, we're shaping the future of health. Born in New Zealand, made for the world. The Health Lab is committed to a healthier, brighter future. For you, for us, for generations to come. We are the Health Lab.